Hey Fools, Brendan Mathews joined by Jason Moser on our Ask a Fool segment. We've got a great question which comes from Roger. He asks, I've been wondering about technical analysis. I never see it mentioned by the Fool because it seems to be used mainly by traders rather than investors. Jason, what do you think about technical analysis?
Well, I think that Roger pretty much hit the nail on the head there in his question. Technical analysis is something that's used more by traders than by investors. And it's not to say that one is right and one is wrong and one is better than the other. I mean, you kind of pick your side, I guess. But yeah, I'm not a fan of technical analysis. It's not how I grew up learning about investing from my father, and it's not how we study investing here at the Fool. I mean, we're very much focused on sort of from the ground up look at businesses, understanding the business's management, competitive advantages, the dynamics of their market. To me, that's more enjoyable. It's a bit more predictable, I think, when it comes to long-term results. It really, you can separate sort of the winners from the losers there. Whereas technical analysis, I think it takes a little bit more of sort of market psychology into account. And I don't know that there's necessarily any real sound logic behind it. It's kind of pattern recognition, so to speak. But I don't know, what do you think about it?
So you won't see me talking about cup and handle or anything like that. I just haven't seen enough evidence that it really works. So I stay focused on looking at stocks as individual businesses that I can own for the long term.
Yeah, and I think one more thing I'll just add to this. I've seen enough horror stories where people who do follow technical analysis and they do a lot of trading over the course of a week and a year, and by the end of the year they bring together a pretty hefty tax bill that they maybe didn't really think about during the whole year of their trading activity. So be aware that when you're an active trader like that, it certainly has frictional costs in the form of transaction costs and tax liabilities that are going to come due at some point. And I think that our style of investing is to try to minimize those as much as possible.
Right. Thanks, Jason.
All right.
To learn more, check out fool.com.